Bees are dying fast, 20% each year, and could vanish in just over a decade. Beemond offers hives made from clear plexiglass, so you can watch bees at work and even harvest honey. Easy to set up and maintain, the hives protect bees, teach about their vital role, and bring a bit of nature into city life. Ever feel like your furniture has taken over your life? Bumblebee Spaces makes your ceiling do the heavy lifting. Their robotic system lifts and stores things when you're not using them. Controlled by app or voice, it learns your habits and transforms your room. Surprisingly magical. At just 6 inches wide, this lift keeps stairs usable, supports up to 330 pounds, and offers simple controls, adjustable speeds, and safety features like obstruction sensors and a backup battery. United Arab Emirates Cooking Rack brings cooking, prep, and dining together in one countertop made from rack ceramics porcelain. The induction surface heats cookware only, stays cool, saves energy, and is easy to clean. BenQ is a pretty small projector designed to make your space cozy. It projects 30 to 120 inches and works best in dim rooms, and it supports HDR. You can tilt and rotate for flexible setup. Plus, it runs Google TV, has built-in speakers, its own battery, and costs $800. Next one. This cooker hood offers powerful performance and a beautiful design for modern kitchens. With a strong airflow, it quickly clears smoke. Plus, it retracts under the cooktop for a clean look. OTO is a smart lawn care that helps maintaining your yard. It waters up to 2,800 square feet with a 360-degree sprinkler, and the best part? It can be managed through a mobile app. You might have finally perfected your backyard oasis, but have you calculated one more thing? Those cats and birds that see it as their playground. Cactus fence and wall spikes are your simple solution. Each strip is 17 inches long and fits most fences. While we sleep, MagnaFlex customers are already experiencing the future with their Magni Smart Tech beds. This smart system combines a high-tech mattress, adjustable base, and an app that tracks sleep and room conditions in real time. Features like anti-snore adjustments, chromotherapy, zero-gravity positioning, and gentle wake-ups adapt to each person. Alright, this is weird, but we're in Germany, so it's not. This underground beer cooler holds up to 12 bottles, keeping them fresh. It comes with a steel and aluminum holder, a cast iron bottle opener, and a magnetic cap catcher. It's the year 1998. And Peter Locker was living in a tiny Paris studio, but he was frustrated by the lack of stylish kitchens. So he designed his own, launching Kitchu. It fit into as little as 1.54 square meters, fully equipped with all appliances. Concealment furniture, also called hidden compartment furniture, has served people for centuries. From Renaissance nobles hiding valuables to priests in 16th century England avoiding persecution, these clever pieces kept their precious safe. Today, they're just as useful for storing jewelry, documents, and firearms. Next one, Termit Profi. It makes wastewater treatment simple for homes and cottages. Made from corrosion-resistant polyethylene, these systems work using natural bacteria to break down waste into safe byproducts. Water is purified up to 75%, with soil or drainage fields handling the rest. This security system can stop a robbery or kidnapping attempt in just 30 seconds. Watch it how! Deep Sentinel pairs smart cameras with live human guards. The AI spots unusual activity and instantly alerts guards who can speak to intruders or call police if needed. Check out Tremor subwoofers. They fit into walls and makes powerful sound like in professional cinemas. The Tremor 10, their most popular model, have a 10-inch woofer that sounds like a 12-inch sub, hitting up to 110 decibels. Its frameless grille blends into any room. You're deep in the heat of a paintball battle, sneaking through enemy lines, when suddenly, boom! Paintballs explode around you and you have no idea where they came from. That's the PBM-22C. It fires 22 paintballs in a wide arc, covering about 15 by 20 feet. Atlanta! Ornamental security doors are built tough, usually from 12-gauge steel with 2-inch thickness, reinforced frames, and multi-point locks. Many feature decorative solid steel designs and impact-resistant glass. Next, this is the Mini Theft Stopper, a small device designed to protect fire extinguishers and other firefighting equipment from theft. With a loud 95 decibel alarm and a clear "Stop" sign, it deters tampering. It's easy to install and works on doors, extinguisher pins. The team at Catrick Technologies designed a unique wind generator with oscillating aerofoils in a honeycomb layout, turning even light winds into electricity. These turbines fit on rooftops or roadsides. They reduce environmental impact and outperform traditional turbines. Windows might seem simple, but Hurt Kinetics from Swiss turns them into something extraordinary. Their window facades quietly disappear into the ground at the push of a button, moving massive glass or stone panels within minutes.